Guys, so today my plan is to fish this little pool that is downtown. It comes out from a spillway. I'm probably just gonna be doing some vertical jigging and just casting and retrieving to see if I can get any other species out of here. I fished here a couple of times, but I've never really spent a few hours trying to see what I could get out of here. So that's what the plan is for today. So I just have a little shad style imitation bait on, and I'm gonna start with that. Hopefully it doesn't get snagged because I only have one of these, but let's get started. There we go. Alright, first fish. Alright, just got fish number one for the day. Little bluegill. Let's get him back. There we go, fish on. What we got? Oh, crappie. Nice. All right, just got fish number two. Beautiful crappie. Let's let him go. All right, let's see if I can get anything else out of that deep pool. Yeah, I just gotta let this lure sink a bit more. I don't want to get snagged because there we go, another one. Nothing big. Cast right after that. It's another tiny crappie. Look how dark this one is. Alright guys, cast right after that. Just got another tiny crappie. Let's get him back in the water. Alright. Look at him. Off he goes. See if I can get anything jigging. Look at all those minnows. Oh, there's a big bass down there. Something. Oh, a crappie had it. There we go. Oh, it lost it. Shoot. There we go. Don't come out. Ooh. Nice size crappie. Got him vertical jigging over here. I've been seeing him come up and strike, but I haven't been able to get any. This is the largest one of the day. There's actually a bass down there too. Nice. Alright, just got another crappie. Largest one of the day. I've been vertical jigging right under where that water's coming out of. This guy has all type of fin rot though, look at that. Still, there we go. So look at that fin rot. But still a pretty fish. Just getting back in the water. Alright guys, so the bite has died down in this area. I might revisit it on the walk back out, but for now I'm going to scout some more areas and see if I can find any more pools to fish in. So far I've been fishing for about an hour. I think I've caught like 5 or 6 fish. But let's keep going. All right, man. Phew. All right, man. About 45 minutes later, I finally got a bite. First I thought it was snags, but I got this nice little largemouth. Just getting back in the water. Guys, I'm gonna try one more spot before I take off, but let's keep going.